What up, Mad Dogg?
Hey.
So talk to me. Tell us what we doing today.
Well, we pulled out the old stick burner. Stick burner is basically exactly what it is. We're gonna burn sticks. We're using all wood. We'll use some charcoal to get the wood burning, just as a primary fuel source. But after that, wood is gonna be primarily what we're gonna be cooking with. Now, when you're cooking on a stick burner, some people think when you see smoke coming out of the smokestack that that's a good thing. Well, that's not. It's totally contrary to what you believe. You don't want to even be able to see smoke coming out of there. It should be blue, translucent, and that's called a clean smoke. When you see white, cloudy smoke,
Hey, wait. Let me just say this. I'm so guilty of that, and I call myself a smoker and griller. I thought the more smoke it was, that's what I wanted to see. But just recently, I just learned that, like within the last
that's
couple
a
of
big,
months.
like you see guys from our neighborhood who cook on the big wood barrels, and you'll see the average Joe come by. We call them decabs. That's the term we use in boxing for the dumb, casual ass fan. Decabs who don't know anything about barbecuing, and they see all this smoke coming out. You know, guys open up the pit, nothing but charcoal burn, smoke everywhere. What you'll get is what's called creosote in your meat, and your meat will taste very just not good. This is not a good taste for it. So you want to have a clean smoke. Your primary fuel source is going to be wood. You see white smoke coming out the top, it's either a grease fire or your wood is not burning. It's smoldering. You don't want that kind of smoke on your meat. It's not going to taste good.
Hey, very well said. That's why I'm here today with BZQ. Listen, he got it. Hey, I got your swag. I'm not saying he don't have the swag, because you can see, hey, he got it too. But I got my thing. Listen, he's very, very descriptive of what he talks about.
Trying to be.
You know what I mean? And hey, we go from there. Hey, listen, we're going to all go to class. I should go inside, come back out with my glasses, my notebook, you know what I mean, so I can get it.
That's all right, man. I'm not as new as you think. I mean, I'm as new. I'm newer than you think I am. I haven't been doing this that long, but I have studied a lot, and my goal was to cook with wood primarily. I read all kinds of books and all kinds of stuff, so I'm a little bit versed on the science of fire and airflow and all that stuff. So we'll get started. Right now, we're gonna get a chimney going with some coals in it. We'll get the weed burner, get that going, and get some charcoal in here. Then I'll put some wood on. And you can just see how that goes. I mean, it's easy. It's not that hard. It's not that hard.
Hey, for sure we're gonna have the violins going while we're talking like this.
time to put on the ribs.
Where we at right now?
Tim's holding. But don't look at that one. This one's not keeping. That one's gonna be true. This is a great level. I installed this because the guy who put this on put it way up here, and it just doesn't keep the right temperature. So this one's more dialed in. So we got it. Color on it. It's not burning on the bottom. Sticky. Got that sticky icky on it. Look at it. Look at the sticky icky. Doggy. Sticky icky, baby.
We're starting to get a little pullback now.
A little bit of pullback, but we want to keep these moist so they don't dry out. Got that secret.
That Zep professional sprayer.
Hey, if you can guess what's in here, I'll tell you what it is. If you guess, I guess I really don't have to tell you. All right, we good. Oh man, nice color on these. So what we're doing now, we're gonna baste it. Some sauce. Let that cook for another maybe 20 minutes. And we'll come back and wrap them. Before we wrap, we'll put a little bit more. Here's usually the hottest spot because this is where the heat leaves. So it's drawn from here and sucking the heat off from here. So over here is the hottest spot. Usually when I cook wings, if I put them over here on this side, close to the smokestack, because this is where the heat is drawn from, it's always going to be hot. Talk about mahogany. That's mahogany. Nice. Oh, that's hot.
Not bad.
Go outside, put it back on. Damn. 15, 20 minutes later, come back out and pull them off. See what's cracking.